Hello friends, I'm back, and today we'll be mounting an orchid seedling. Let's get to it. This darling Cattleya Dowiana var aurea, although it is in great shape, I think I can manage its maintenance much better if it were mounted, which is what I plan to do. Cattleya Dowiana can be found from Costa Rica into Panama, Colombia, and Venezuela. These are what the flowers look like. As you can see, they're absolutely stunning and they're supposed to be extremely fragrant as well. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna get going by cleaning up the roots and carefully removing any of the old media. It has one of those sphagnum moss plugs in the center, so I'm gonna just carefully remove that, trying not to damage the roots, but you know, some losses do happen unfortunately. Happily, this orchid is working on a new growth, so that makes it a little bit easier. I can determine which direction the orchid will likely grow, so I'll put that facing upwards towards the top of the mount, but it does what it wants anyway, so there's always that. I'm going to place some sphagnum moss here before I put the plant. This plant will be in a grow tent that I have under LED lights. It does have a higher humidity than most of my other plants, so that should be okay. And then I can regulate watering in the winter, as this plant doesn't like water in the winter. I've mounted orchids before using fishing line and this sort of netting, but nothing compares to this amazing gardening Velcro. It's the easiest thing that you could ever use, and I absolutely recommend it. I have a friend who mounts her orchids on her trees, and this is what she uses until the plant establishes itself and attaches to the tree. So that's the goal here. She did recommend that I put the moss on top of the roots so that it has easier access to the bark, but I'm stubborn, so yeah. Voila, it is done. My orchid is mounted and I am a happy camper. I really hope this plant attaches to the slab, and maybe I'll be able to remove the Velcro straps in the future. I will definitely keep you guys posted on that. But for this one, that is it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. Bye.